Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where you're stuck at spinning circles during restart or shutdown, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, since you are stuck, your first approach should be a force restart. Press the power button for a very long time till your computer force restarts. Once it has restarted, now to avoid this from happening in the future, you have to perform the following solutions. The first one is to check for updates. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates. The next one is to disconnect all the peripherals. Okay, because peripherals like printers, scanners, and cameras push drivers into your system which will conflict with the existing drivers. The next one is to perform a full system antivirus scan. So search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Security. Now go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab. Select Scan options. Select Full Scan. Select Scan now and let it scan. The last solution will be a system restore. So search for Recovery in the Windows search bar and click on Recovery. Click on Open System Restore. Click on next, select go to the restore point, click on next, click on finish, and finally click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.